Can you get a woman's attraction back if you've lost attraction? This guy reached out to me and he said that he had been dating this woman and he only made one mistake as far as he could tell. And that was he was too available. He was too responsive. Whenever she wanted to do something, he was always free to meet her. He would cancel his plans and he would say, hey, yeah, I can meet up with you. Let me cancel this meeting I've got going on, or let me just rearrange my schedule and we'll meet up. And so he says that yes, he did give his power away and now he's noticed that she's losing attraction for him. Well, can you get attraction back if you've made mistakes with a woman? And the answer is yes, you can, because women remember your present behavior. They are focused on how you show up in the present. I've seen many situations with guys who were complete screw-ups with women, 15, 20 years ago. They reconnect with a girl and all the mistakes are forgotten because the man who shows up is completely different. It doesn't have to be 15 or 20 years. I've seen guys who made mistakes with women. They enter the picture again 12 months later, and all of a sudden the man knows what to do with women. He's got some game. He's changed his personality in a positive way. He's more focused on himself. He's more mission focused. He's more ambitious. He's put himself together. And women, they completely discard the old version of you and they focus on how you are showing up at this present moment in time. So yes, you can fix mistakes from the past. Now I always talk about the fading effect bias, and it takes 6 weeks. If you've had a fight with a woman, it takes about 6 weeks for negative emotions and stress to fade away. And after 6 weeks, the positive memories rise to the surface. But one big mistake that men make is that they don't want to give a woman space. They don't want to allow the dynamic to reset, because they're scared that if they let a woman go and do her own thing, she's going to go off and meet another guy, or she's going to forget about them. And I can tell you now that this is 9 times out of 10 not the case. Women don't forget about men they're attracted to straight away, and they don't meet other guys straight away as well, other guys who they deem worthy of investing the time and attention into. So you have to have the courage and the confidence to let women walk away from you and come back to you when they're ready. That's the key, that's the secret. If you want to know more about this, I highly recommend you get a copy of my Get Her Back action plan. It will show you how to get a girl back the right way and keep her. You can pick up your copy today by clicking on the link below. And don't forget, I do phone and email consultations. You can book a consultation with me on my website, develofattraction.com. And let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Have you experienced this yourself in your own lives? Let me know. Talk soon.